Next, we are going to write code to display the most favorite books in the website's homepage here. And by definition, most favorite books are books having a average rating greater than or equal to 4.0, and other books have the most number of reviews. And first, we need to write SQL statement uh, to get the list of most favorite books. Here, we need to write SQL statement in MySQL Workbench. First, close this. Let's select all rows from the review table. Here, you see we have the book ID here. Now let's select another. Okay, and let's modify the query here.